Hi, welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainment, and I'm CJ. And today I got a package. It really doesn't work, so I always have to cut it a little bit before I tear it open. So there I go. And now, guess what's in here? It's a box. What's that? So it's a box in a package. Don't you use the knife on the box. At least let's open up the package. So, here we go, there we go. There we go. Put that down. Rip this open. Got a discount. That means this will be in the description below with the discount. So if you're interested, look at my description. Hit it, and if you want to buy it, then you can get the discount. That's on me. Okay, let's see. Let's see here. This is very, very special. And I got this because I really felt that I have a lot of people on my channel that's into beauty, and it's beauty fashion. So, open it up. See what's inside. I'll show you exactly how this is. You may say, what in the heck is that? These are LED mirror lights, and this is a kit. And you put these lights. Okay, let's take out the stuff in the box. Here's the plug, the charger, turn them on. Okay. And this all goes together. I'll take this off so y'all can see up close on how it looks. You know, I don't do any tech without reading the instructions. You got this unit. Don't know what this is yet for, but we will. And this is how it looks. It looks like Christmas lights. It's that type of cord. But these bulbs, flip them over so you can see, are sticky bulbs. So this sticks on to your mirror. I'm going to read this first. So guess what? We'll be back. Okay, this is my vanity mirror, but it is too small for me to put the lights. So I got to do it somewhere else. Let's see. Bathroom mirror. I did not want to put it on my mirror in the bathroom because if you notice, I do have some form of big lights up here to hang these up. And I realized that this is like a plastic. So that's good, so this way it doesn't shatter. And these are all hooked to the cord. But on the bottom of this is this. And this is metal. And this is what sticks on the mirror, which should be better for me because I can take this and design how I want it. That's what I'm going to do. And then you're supposed to just screw this back on around the mirror. And now there's the swipe button, and all you do is whoa, and it comes on. There's no clicking. You just swipe it with your finger and it goes off. And these helps, the screw helps wrap that extra cord around. So what I'm getting ready to do right now is design it a little bit better. Throw them lights up if you like this video. Fashion Week. It's all about the beauty.